Number 9, which one of the following tables represents a linear function? If you'll remember back from algebra, a linear function has to have a constant change. So your x's has to increase or decrease by the same amount, and your y's have to increase and decrease by the same amount. When I look at all these tables, the x values are all increasing by 1. So that doesn't really help me. So now I need to look at the y values. They all have to increase by the same amount. This one decreases by 3, then it decreases by 1, and then it increases. So that's not a linear function. If we look at b, it goes down by 3, then down by 1, then down by 1. That's not a linear function. If I look at c, that goes down by 3, up by 3. That's not a linear function. So it must be d, but let's look at y. This goes up by 2, up by 2, up by 2. So since it has that constant change, then it's a linear function. Now, if you don't remember that, you could always go through and make a graph, on the back of your authorization ticket. I think that's what it's called, to log in for your test. On the back is graph paper. So you could make a graph, and you could just go through and plot these linear functions or straight lines. So if they don't make a straight line, they're not a linear function. So if you can't remember about the constant change, you can just plot the points and see which one gives you that straight line.